You will fall.
I need an angel to save me from myself.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Jennifer. How are you guys doing? It's been a hot minute. I've not been on this channel for a while. I have a lot of stuff I'm doing at the background, like I just want to take my time off, resting, trying to come up with like video ideas to do. Like sometimes I'm a bit like too, I wouldn't say depressed, but I'm kind of like just fed up because I don't really have the space to be creative. There's no space for me to explore outside the boxes, like I'm being like put inside and I can't come out. But anyway, I just want to like push myself. That's why I'm doing this video today. So guys, if you're new here and if this is your first time of seeing my face or coming across my channel, you're welcome, and don't forget to subscribe before you go. And if you are my returning subscriber and you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And I really love you guys and I appreciate you guys, like your work. Pardon my voice because I think I'm coming down with like hay fever, so my nose, my throat is going. I hope it gets better soon. But anyway, this is summer. We are in the start of summer. Like, I'm so happy I came able to flaunt what I want to wear, show up my nice outfit, skate on flake, you know, this kind of stuff. And also like a summer makeup. Right now my makeup is really minimal. This is the lowest makeup I could ever wear, and it's very dewy. I'm so impressed about this makeup, and I didn't use a primer. That's the difference. So I'm gonna be talking about the new L'Oreal Les Chocolat Ultra Liquid Matte Lipstick. Yes, they just come out with like 12 different shades of matte lipstick. I'm sorry, this is not the swatch video for the 12 matte liquid lipstick. This is just to show you one particular liquid lipstick and how it should work on my skin. So I received this in the mail. Thanks L'Oreal, and it comes in a pamphlet or a leaflet as you call it. It talks about the product, how to wear it, and more information you want to know. So you guys know I always read these things just to know what's going on, but before I go ahead to read it, I'm just going to show you this liquid lipstick. I just like the body. It's very sleek. It's like a icy glass packaging. I love it. It's very nice and durable. Like, this is so simple and sleek and smart at the same time, and I can't wait to put this on my lips. Les Chocolat Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick. Give into your inner chocolate with Les Chocolat. There's just too many chocolates, yeah. Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick, a collection of matte liquid lip colors in 12 chocolate inspired shades, with an irresistible chocolate scent and the hottest nude shades you wouldn't be able to stop at one. The melt proof formula, so you can forget your lip color, smudging or burgeoning for up to 12 hours. Enriched with ultra saturated pigment for an intense color payoff. Shaped applicator allow for precise application. I really don't know where that cough came up from. Now I'm coughing, so I'm just gonna finish the last sentences that I could not even finish reading. It's as if I was rushed. Slanted teardrop shape applicator allows for precise application. That's better. Oh my god, I'm so like tired. Unfortunately, I received one, but I haven't been out to go to the shop to see if this is available yet. I don't know how much it retails for, but you can get it at BOUT and Superdrugs, and I can put a price on it. Let's say between $8.99 to like $12.99 for this product. I'm not so sure, but that is a range from L'Oreal product, especially if it's like a bantam big thing. The prices might be very like high. So guys, I personally love anything chocolate. I love milk chocolate, dark chocolate, warm chocolate, like anything chocolate, it just amuses me. Anything brown amuses me. Like, I just fall in love with it more and more. So for them coming up with different, like, could be shades, to represent a chocolate for chocolatious people, I'm down for this. As you can see, I only have like my makeup on and my lips is very bare. There's nothing there, and anything that could be there could be Vaseline lip balm. That's the only thing there. This is still very sealed, so I'm gonna, I don't know if it's blurry or clear, but I'm gonna open the seal. With my nails, it's difficult to like open stuff like this, so I have to like go there with my feet. These have a name, so this is number 860 ginger balm. Ginger balm. Ooh, I like the applicator so far. If this was in concealer, I would just love it. Look at it, it's just a duffel angled applicator. Oh guys, it actually smells like chocolate. I think this, my prayers have answered. Like, this is the best liquid lipstick I've not, why did I just say best? This is a liquid lipstick I've been looking for. Like, I just want liquid lipstick that can tell it's my lip color without looking as if I'm wearing a lipstick, and this is just doing it for me. Like, I'm so happy to pick this color. I'm so happy. Although I received one, but I picked the color. I'm allowed to pick what I want, so I picked it. Oh, it smells so nice. Does it taste nice as well? This is with just one applicator. I'm not like go ahead to layer it, so I'm just gonna wait to see if it's gonna dry or if it takes a long time to dry. But so far I really love this color. Very pigmented. It covers my lip color, my natural lip color, which I don't think I can see. It's very chocolatey. The smell is gorgeous. It smells chocolate, like actually chocolate, and I just love this. It's just giving my vibe. Come on, L'Oreal. In fact, guys, you don't need to tell me twice. I think I might go ahead and purchase the 11th of this liquid lipsticks, or maybe if less than that, just to do my swatch video and a review on it as well. These are the liquid lipsticks in 12 different shades. Very nice and intriguing, from dark chocolate to milky light to purple. It's like a nude chocolate liquid lipstick, like, you know. And I think this is really gorgeous. Like, well, it is drying because it's very sticky when I talk, so I'm just gonna let it dry and I keep on talking. Okay.
A few moments later. 2 hours later. Eventually,
guys, I'm back, and I think this is dry enough, but it's not like completely dry to matte. I don't want this video to go longer, but I feel like this is a really good matte liquid lipstick. Like, L'Oreal, this is for you. Well done. Like, I don't really have any bad thing to say about this liquid lipstick, but just that it takes longer to dry. I just tried only one, and my impression of this is really great. Like, you can't tell the difference between my foundation and my lip, because it's like one, and that is the type of lipstick I've been looking for a long time, and this has come and it tick all the boxes for me. I'm sorry I'm talking like this because I feel like back of my throat I want to cough, but I'm holding it back. But literally, if you love chocolate, or if you like anything nude and you're looking for a really nice new lipstick for your skin tone, or if you are a dark person or a light person, I think you need to try this L'Oreal Lash Chocolate Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick. Like, this shit here is the bomb. Is the very bomb. There's no flakiness, there's no patchiness on my lips. It's just there, just like I applied it, and this is just only one coat on, one swatch on my lips. I love this product and I give it 10 out of 10. Great product, great formula, and I hope you guys should try and get it as well. I'm gonna put a link down below for where you can get this product from, just in case if you want to purchase it, you can get what I mean. So guys, don't forget to subscribe before you go. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, slap a like on it. And guys, don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a video, and I might be doing notification shout out very soon. Let's see how well you get notified whenever I upload my video or whenever you leave a comment. And my giveaway will be coming up shortly, but don't worry guys, and nothing there. I'm gonna see you on my next video, so take care of yourself and be nice to others. Peace out. Bye.